Thank you so much, Kirk. And of course, we will be following up on that story. Now, meanwhile, staff, students and unions representing the University of Technology today took what they say will be one of several planned protests against the government's decision not to increase the amount given to UTech in the new budget. TVJ's Krista Campbell has the details.
A blackout at the University of Technology UTech on Old Hope Road in St. Andrew. Students, teachers and their representatives all powered up and sending a strong message to the government.
We want more! We want more! We want more!
More government subventions. Protesters bursting out in song, chants, even preaching. Whatever it took to demonstrate their frustration.
An institution such as the government that should uphold the tenets of equality and do away with disparity and supporting inequality is a disgrace of the government of Jamaica.
UTech says it has been lobbying for an increase in financial assistance under different administrations since 2012. Now that the new budget has been announced with yet another increase for the University of the West Indies, $963 million more, but not a penny more for UTech, lecturers and students alike are upset.
We at UTech deserve more. We get significantly less than other universities. And I must say, it's not that we are comparing ourselves, but what is it that the criteria outlines for us to get subventions? A UTech student gets approximately $140,000, $901 to be exact. We have our counterparts getting approximately $490,000. We have high schools 7 to 9 getting $202,000. On what premise does UTech deserve such underpay?
And we're saying to the government, we are the premier national university and we should be given, you're our parent and parents should not neglect their children. We have a high attrition rate, good people with very great technical skills. They have left this university because then the salary is just not good.
The finance and education ministers are to meet with university personnel over the next 2 days to address the concerns. But Education Minister Ruel Reid says the government will not be forced into negotiations. He further notes that the subvention issue is mainly because UTech has expanded some programs and hired several persons without the requisite government approval.
So no amount of threat is going to move that position, because with the greatest respect, that is a process that must be followed. So all the red herring about the difference in subvention, the difference in subvention would have occurred precisely by what I have said, because over the years, without the approved establishment, the university would have gone ahead, expanded their program, hired staffing, without government providing subvention. That's why they are there. And then second, as I said, they now come back and say they want relativity adjustment relative to the University of the West Indies. And it doesn't work that way.
The government has transferred programs to the University of Technology. So the dentistry program, School of Oral Health, nursing program has been transferred to the University of Technology for quite a number of years. And although they have been transferred, the infrastructure and the financial assistance or support that is required to manage and execute these programs have not been transferred.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.